Changing your username on Airbnb can help personalize your profile and enhance your hosting experience. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airbnb website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile menu, look for the Account or Settings option. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 4. Edit your username. Find a section labeled Username or Profile Name. Click on the Edit button next to it and enter your desired new username. Make sure it complies with Airbnb's guidelines. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes, and your new username will be updated. Now you can enjoy your personalized Airbnb experience with your new username.